Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to use American Express gift card on eBay. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up eBay and log into your account. So once you're here on your eBay, so what we're going to do, we're going to add something to our cart so that we can proceed with the checkout. So just choose any item and send it to your cart. So while we do that, so once you do that, I'm going to add it to my cart, and then so that we can get to the checkout. So when you get to checkout here, so if you want to use your Amex, your American Express gift card, so when you get to your checkout section here, so what you're going to do, you're going to select this under the payment option here. You're going to select this add new card, and then you're going to select that option here, and then here simply add in the details of your American Express card. So whatever your American Express card is, so just add it at the details, hit on done, and then click on confirm and pay and complete the process. So this is how you can use your American Express card on eBay. It's pretty easy and straightforward. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.